Right, my name's Walch, and I have to apologise for insulting your intelligence to show you how to saw a piece of plastic wood. This is a piece of Kedel's plastic wood, and this is just a normal bog standard saw you get anywhere. And I'm not a great workman either, so if I can do this, anybody can do it. There we are. Painless. Now we have two bits. So that's how easy it is to saw a piece of Kedel's plastic wood, and of course you can use a power saw as well if you want to. The only thing is, if you're using a power saw, you want to make sure you got sharp teeth and it's clean. If you start to get too much friction, the plastic wood will start to melt. The way to get around that is to spray a bit of WD-40 onto the blade, and it'll slide through no trouble. It's what we do at work.